Yeah, let's talk about the brand now. Ikhombo. Let's allow.
Boy.
What did you start with?
I don't believe. I don't believe. Ikhombo very brand ukuthi umdali push, understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Shout out to it's okay. And yabona la ikhona location 756 Ntong lo ikremile.
Yeah.
Location esho.
Hey, Kremile boy. Ngibone ku vlog yakho. Ena manje lokho ngibheka ivlog yakho yabo interesting. Lale address le lokho uyibeka ngakhona.
Yeah.
Mu repeat it ukuthi I stick engqondweni. Ngathi ngiyastudy.
I understand.
Yeah.
So location shop and lapha mawungena lapha shop hlangana neMcRoyalty. Shenye brand khona le building ngithanda ukushy black. It's lounge. Le ukhala ngayo. Yeah. Fikuthola leyo brand leyo. Uthola the game. Isekuba ikhombo.
Yeah.
So kimi lezinto lezi mawufika lapha The Boys Corner vele.
Yeah.
Fana basekonini. Mongena fihlangana nawo lama brand phakathi u3 bayisinkhomo bayisinek kudlala the game ama PlayStation lapha. Yabona le way we presented khona lapha. You set up, I understand. So The Best Corner is bomb. Besiphakathi ikhombo fana ukuthi ikhombo iphuthe kaMcRoyalty. Like I'm a siblings, the game, like I understand.
Yeah.
So ingendlela engivuka ngakho because mangifika la yayivela nje ukuthi ala kusekhaya. Ngitext le file ku IG ngisho ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza permanent brand ambassador, understand.
You are the first.
Permanent uthi ngifuna ukuyenza. I'm not the first. Khona abanye file le brand yakudala my gents. Udala push. File manje ya Spark share brand.
Ngifaka ispark.
Sithole recognition manje.
Ayifaka ispark.
Ispark sesikhona.
Yibo bafaka ispark brand.
Amakayisa sikhona mafits bese sikhona. Phela remember ukuthi intana ushaya dispenser yakhe wathela nama trip to ara asafaka feed because yazi izinto ezakeza.
So when the brand ambassador, what do you benefit there?
I'm live like just to jam kuna boss la. Understand? Vela shothi njami la mala esekhaya kuna boss yonke into khala ngayo iza ke mungitshela ube transparent uthi njami shota ngento kanje na kanje zokulungisela and then biyasho ukuthi angawaqi kuzoba mnandi.
So it's more like a friendship.
Oh brotherhood. Yeah.
Okay.
Understand? And akusiyo kuphela nalapha shop le McRoyalty like ubhuti wami le the game yengakahlangani nayo like bese mara phakathi ama employees wara awubhuti bami sister wami because of like angina 3 months or 1 month mara mangara
Yeah.
masho ukuthi lezi kudala ngesicaba.
Yeah.